So hey guys, Honor is all set to announce the Honor X10 smartphone on May 20. While the company hasn't released an official confirmation, the rumor mill has claimed that it will be announcing the Honor X10 Pro alongside the vanilla model. The Honor X10 will be replacing the Honor 9X Pro from last year that came with 6.59-inch notchless screen. The TINA listing of the Honor X10 5G has revealed that it will be flaunting a larger notchless display compared to its predecessor. But today the company has revealed that the X10 will support a higher refresh rate and touch sampling rate for the display. The poster released by Huawei's sub-brand confirms that the Honor X10 5G display will support at least 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz of touch sampling rate. A higher refresh rate promises better viewing experience while scrolling, animations and transitions than the conventional 60Hz display. Higher touch sampling rate means the screen will refresh at a faster rate to register a touch. And according to previous leak, the Honor X10 Pro is supposed to get higher 90Hz refresh rate and the standard X10 will use a 60Hz panel only, but the above image mentions 90Hz for the X10, so it's possible that the leak wasn't entirely accurate. Honor is yet to confirm on the other features of the smartphone. Since the device appeared on TINA last month, its entire specifications have been revealed. The handset is expected to debut as the cheapest 5G ready smartphone from the company, and it is expected to come with a 6.63-inch Full HD Plus display with the IPS panel, and the device will be powered by the Kirin A20 5G chipset. For the selfie camera, the device is gonna have 16-megapixel Sony's IMX471 selfie shooter. On the backside of the device is gonna support triple camera setup with 40-megapixel primary, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera. The Honor X10 will also have 4200 mAh battery with support for 22.5-watt fast charging. It will also come with an audio jack and USB Type-C port, but will not have NSA support. As for the pricing, the Honor X10 will cost you around 1799 yuan, which is approximately $254 US. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about the Honor X10, and I'll catch you in my next video.